Hello, my name is Brandon, and this is a continuation of my chess project. This backend is going to have a sign-up feature and a login feature, and I want the users to be able to log in and create a board link to be able to share with other people so that they can see the moves as the other person plays them, and that person will be able to coach the other person over the internet. So the first thing you're going to be able to do is sign up and create a new user. The code for this will be over here in the sign up component. And down here we post to the user / sign up, which is going to be in here, which is in this area where we will save it to the MongoDB database. So let's make a new user. So after we sign up, we're redirected to the login page, which is going to be this login component, which is going to post to the user's login. And back over here in the users, we can see that the login authenticates the user right here. So let's log in with the ID we just made. And you'll notice I'm now logged in, and I can also log out here. So now we have a new game button that we can press. So that's handled in the start game component. And over here we will set the state for the username and the user ID. And down here we will redirect to the game. And we click new game. So now we'll have a special game ID made for us up here. And the game will be saved in the database. So here I have Robo3T, and we can look inside our Chessfin database, and we can see users. Here's the user I just made, and we can see the games. So here's the game I just made, and notice this object ID for the game matches this ID up here. And the PGN will be saved for the game as well. So the other thing that I want to be able to do is that anyone with this link will be able to see as the moves are played. That's done with sockets. So one of the challenges I had was figuring out how to use sockets to send the moves and have anybody else at the table be able to view the moves as well. So over in the server, we can set up socket.io, and down here we can listen for connections and respond to messages. And over in the board component, we can listen on the board, and whenever we play a move, we send out the receive message, and play move will set the state of the fin. And play move is played whenever a move is played on the board. So when a piece is dropped down on the board, we can emit this socket and change the fin state, which will then update the state of any other clients watching. So now what I want to do is make a second account. And I'm going to log in. Notice that we now have both of these users that I made. And I'm not going to make a new game, but I'm going to copy the game link over. And this will allow me to see any moves that are made here. So as this board updates, anyone at the table is able to see those changes through socket.io. This concludes my backend demonstration. Thank you very much.